Hello guys, good day. This is John again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe at pindutin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka if may bago ako upload na video. So for today's vlog, mag-unbox at mag-apply tayo ng bagong glucose monitoring device. It's a FREESTYLE Libre. It's a product of Abbott. Okay, so as a type 1 diabetic, it is very essential to have a glucometer device to closely monitor and manage the blood sugar levels. I'm currently using the traditional type of glucometer device. This one, it's a one-touch select simple. So, kailangan mong i-prick yung finger mo using the lancets every time you test your blood sugar with the test strip. So, minimum of 6 per day kasi after you wake up and before breakfast, after breakfast, before lunch, after lunch, before dinner, and after dinner. But with this new type of monitoring device, it's a product of Abbott. It's a continuous glucose monitoring system, so you don't need to prick your finger every now and then because meron na itong sensor na ilalagay sa iyo. So it will be inserted here and you can just check your blood sugar level anytime of the day. So this is good for 14 days, and after 14 days you need to apply a new one, a new sensor. So without further ado, i-unbox na natin first yung ating FREESTYLE Libre reading device. Let's see kung ano ang laman nito. So pagbukas mo guys, ito yung makikita mo. It's a quick start guide and not just one but dalawa. Yung isa is in English language at yung isa is in French. So if you're from Canada or any French speaking countries, so this one is for you. At ito na siya guys, yung FREESTYLE Libre monitoring device reader natin. Okay, so pag bili mo nito ay naka full charge na po ito. So let's see if mag-on. It has only one button. I guess this is the power button. So let's see if mag-on. Okay. Let's go to English. Let's press A. Then increment. It's almost 3. Then next. That's gonna be the time is 8. Now the target glucose range, it's in mg over dl. This is the interface of the home screen of our reader. You can see the start new sensor and the review history options, but it's still showing above that there is no active sensor at the moment. So later we will going to unbox our sensor. Here is the sensor, and we also have in the back the manual, the user's manual in English and French. So we have the USB cable and the adapter. So let's go ahead and password sensor. Okay. So this is a FREESTYLE Libre sensor, and let's see what's in the box. It says open here, so dito natin i-open yung box. Okay, so we have the user's guide here, and we have the applicator. This one is the applicator and our sensor, and 2 alcohol swabs. and nothing left in the box. So we'll go ahead now and apply the sensor. I'm kinda scared kasi i-break natin yung needle once lang naman dito at the back of our arm, pero I'm not sure if it's painful or I don't know. Let's see. Okay guys, so before we open our sensor and before we apply the applicator, we need first to shave my arm kasi mabawal tayong tao. And we're going to use the free alcohol swab. So dito ko ilalagay sa aking left arm yung sensor. And let's let it dry for a while. Hindi kasi pwedeng ilagay yung sensor guys kapag marami kang balahibo. Let's clean it with alcohol swab. At hintayin lang natin mag-dry yung skin. While waiting for our skin to dry, let's open the sensor now. Let's see what's inside. So this is the sensor. At ito po yung nasa loob ng sensor guys. Okay, you see that? May mata-mata siya sa sulod. Kita nyo na, that's, I guess that's a microchip, micro-thermochip. Okay, it's kind of amazing to see a new technology like this. And now we are going to open our applicator para mailagay na natin dito sa sensor. So nakaseal po yung ating applicator. And this is our applicator. Okay, you see that? Kailangan guys yung linya na nasa sensor natin ay mag-align sa side na to ng applicator. Okay. Okay, so we're going to insert it now. And yan. Ayan yung needle na i-insert natin. So, see kung ano kahaba yan. See that? Yan. So, we will going to, oh my god. Well, let's see kung ano yung mararamdaman natin pag break natin dito sa arm. Okay? Oh my god. I'm not ready yet. But let's see. Guys, parang nagtakot akong ilagay. Nagtakot akong ilagay ko, guys. Kasi mahaba-haba yung needle eh, oh. Mas mahaba pa ito dun sa aking insulin syringe na ginagamit. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2. Okay, I'm ready now. So it's 1. Natatakot talaga akong ilagay yung... Guys, natatakot talaga akong ilagay ito. Not ready yet. Okay guys, so ilalagay ko na to. 1 and 1, 2, 3. Ow. Okay, so we're done. So, successfully nilagay na rin natin yung ating sensor dito sa back ng aking arm. And let's try to scan the sensor here with our FREESTYLE Libre reader. Okay, so it says, ang sabi dito, new sensor starting up, and sensor can be used in 16 minutes here. So let's wait for 16 minutes before we can able to use this sensor here at the back of my arm. Okay, and update ko kayo i-update ko kayo later guys kung ano yung result ng ating first test ng ating blood sugar with this new glucose monitoring system. Alright guys, so I'm back, but before we do some testing, let's compare muna yung dalawang device natin, the traditional glucometer and the CGM. So let's first discuss the price. So for the price, mas cheaper yung budget natin dito, unlike sa sensor na mas pricey at kailangan i-order pa online. But with CGM guys, kahit naglalakad ka lang sa daan or kahit nasa jeep ka, you can just scan the sensor anytime, anywhere, at malalaman mo na kaagad yung current blood sugar level mo. CGM na for 2 days, and I find it easy, convenient, and efficient to use, lalo na kapag nasa trabaho ako, unlike sa traditional glucometer device. Kailangan ko pang pumunta ng CR to prick my finger to test my blood sugar level. I hope you enjoyed watching this video guys, and comment down below if you have any suggestion for my next vlog. And before you leave, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified for my next video. Bye!